Well, today's our last morning in Sedona, and we are headed out to Flagstaff to go get some solar for our RV. Super exciting, and I'm going to just bring you along with us and share what that's like. This morning was kind of iconic because we were greeted with some air balloons outside of our rig, and when we first got to Sedona, we also were greeted with some air balloons, so kind of a sweet way to end our visit here. Just making Dave some coffee, and we're going to go on one last hike, and then we're hitting the road. Okay, so we just finished running our errands. Well, actually we have one more. We need to go to the bank and withdraw the money for the solar panels for Flagstaff, so we're going to do that right now. But finished our last hike in Sedona, picked up our mail, our last of our mail from the post office, and then we're going to hit the road.
Bring it to Mommy, Shasta. Come on. Bring me my package. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Oh, it's so hard, huh? It's so big. I know. It's like twice your size, baby girl. Good job. Good job.
All right, we're getting ready to go. We're just putting everything away, which sometimes can be kind of a long process. So anytime we move somewhere, we have to put anything that's out on the counters away, like in the kitchen, the bathroom. Blankets got to be put away, pillows got to be put away, anything that can spill needs to be secured. So this is our process every time we move somewhere. We even have the bikes that need to go back on the bike rack. So everything gets put away, and our dogs get dirty while they play outside. Okay, seriously official. The RV smells like not like a black tank, but like a gray tank. We are seriously full in our tanks. We went as long as possible in this area without having to dump. We're out of water and both our tanks are full. So as we're driving down, it just smells really bad in the RV. So I think as we drive, it'll probably settle out, it'll air out, and it'll be fine, but super stinky, super stinky right now.
ride. I just have to say that was the most grueling experience on any road in this RV that I've ever had in my life. I was like, it was very windy, very narrow, and incredibly bad potholes. So I don't recommend going on that road from Sedona in your RV unless you're a very good driver, very experienced RV driver. Yeah, that was a little bit scary for me. I'm sure my husband was fine, but he didn't enjoy it either because of all the potholes. But even this freeway that we're on now is pretty bad. It's probably just because of the temperature changes and the snow in this area that they get. But luckily, my husband is an experienced driver. But it's just a rough road. And the road that we drove in on from Sedona is called 89A. So if you can figure out a way to avoid that, that would be best.
Basic wiring. It's just a matter of how to route the wires from the roof down into where the charge controller is.
Right.
That's the main problem.
Okay.
Problem to overcome.
Yeah. Well, I just have to make a note that they are moving into a new building, which is why everything's kind of out in the front there, which is really exciting because it means they're expanding and doing really well.
Yeah.
I think they said a building twice as big as what they are now. And they also said that the demand for solar on
RVs
and vans and boats
everything
has seriously taken off in the last 2 to 3 years. So that just shows you how many people are trying to live this lifestyle. It's just really interesting. Hi, Karma. Hi, Shasta. Babe, we have solar!
We have solar!
We have solar! We have solar!
We have solar.
We have solar! No more generator running. No more gas fumes.
The only time I think we'd ever need to run the generators if we're baking cookies or something. Pizza. That's about it.
We have solar! Release!
Come on.
Come on! Come on! Okay, so we are super pumped about our solar. We've arrived at the next stop for the night, and tomorrow we'll be in New Mexico, so that's also exciting. 2 exciting things in a day. Thanks for
Yes.
coming with us today. Hope it was as exciting for you as it was for us. And we'll see you in the next video.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.